Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. As a result of the enlightening beings of all the world oceans in the 10 directions gathering, world oceans have changes in the ages, becoming beautified with infinite great adornments. Because of the Buddhas passing away into nirvana, world oceans have changes in the ages, their adornments dying out. Because of Buddhas appearing in the worlds, oceans of worlds have changes in the ages, becoming extensively beautified and purified. Because of the mystic powers and edifying miracles of the Buddhas, world oceans have changes in the ages, becoming pure all over. There are as many such changes as atoms in an ocean of worlds. Then, to reiterate, the enlightening being universally good, looking over the 10 directions by the power received from the Buddha, said in verse, "All lands are born according to the power of actions. You should all observe the forms of changes as they are. Defiled sentient beings are bound by habitual confusions, to be feared. Their minds cause ocean of worlds to all become defiled. If any have pure hearts and cultivate virtuous deeds, their minds will cause oceans of worlds to have purity mixed with defilement. If enlightening beings of faith and understanding are born in the age, according to what's in their minds, purity mixed with defilement will show. When infinite sentient beings determine on enlightenment, their minds will cause world oceans to be pure for that age. When boundless billions of enlightening beings travel to all quarters, adornments, all of them equal, are variously seen through the age. When in each and every atom of Buddha lands as many as atoms, enlightening beings gather together, all the lands are pure. When a Buddha passes away, that land's adornments perish. If no beings are vessels of truth, that land becomes defiled. If a Buddha appears in the world, everything is marvelous. In accord with the purity of mind, all adornments are complete. The spiritual powers of the Buddha are shown in inconceivable numbers. Then the ocean of lands are all totally pure.